The next chapter in the 70-year Chevrolet Corvette history and now mid-engine Corvette journey starts here with the 2023 Chevrolet Corvette Z06. I'm Dave Jacobs at Facias Chevrolet, and we're going to look at the next American supercar. Front and rear fascia. The unique front and rear fascias are designed to optimize the Z06 cooling needs. As you can see here, the front and rear fascias have been redesigned to allow maximum airflow through the 3 fronts and 1 on each side, channeling air to a center heat exchanger, which is 1 of 5 for maximizing cooling performance. Cockpit. In the driver-focused cockpit, premium materials continue to elevate the luxurious look and feel introduced with the Stingray. They're complemented with available carbon fiber trim that expresses the car's lightweight, track-purposed mantra. Unique features include an available carbon fiber wrapped steering wheel, shift paddles, and new carbon fiber interior trim package level 2. The Z06 also features hand-wrapped leather interior options, including the all-new available fully trimmed interior in adrenaline red. Rear spoiler. The Z06 comes standard with a rear spoiler that has adjustable features and elements designed to improve the high-speed stability and cornering capabilities on the racetrack. Hand-built. The LT6 is hand-assembled by master engine builders at the Performance Build Center within the Bowling Green, Kentucky assembly plant. Builders use precision tooling and hand-fit pieces of the engine to meet Chevrolet's exact specifications. Each engine features a plaque on the intake manifold with the signature of the technician who crafted it from start to finish. For more information about the Chevrolet Z06 and our full line of Chevrolets, come see us at Facias Chevrolet in Melbourne, Florida, home of Warranty Forever. Thank you.